What's up, YouTube? It's Sunday night, so you guys already know what that means. We're moments away from being able to get back in our bag and do what we do. Listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Also, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, some of you guys might have forgot, but I have a duty to remind you all, okay? And I want to take you guys to Jeremiah 29:11 as it reads, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord." Now check this out, guys. Look at the word plans. Plans is plural. So that means beyond those of you that are driving trucks, beyond those of you that are traveling nurses, beyond those of you that are teachers, or whatever you may be doing, he has other things for you to do. He has a bigger calling on your life. Plans could also include your investments. Plans could also include you learning to trade. Plans could also include you getting and being more visible and present in your community, guys. Check it out. He said, "I have plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." I don't know who need this message on today, but I just had to remind you as a kingdom man, as a soldier for the kingdom, I wanted to make sure that I let you guys know he got plans to see you prosper, guys. Make sure you stay the course. Kicking it off, man, with earnings this week, okay? Check it out. We got a few household names on the list, but the one that I'll be focused primarily on is Wednesday at market close, and that's where we will have Tesla coming out the gate doing what they do, guys. Check this out. Tesla already kind of gave us a prelude in advance to what's to come. So we shouldn't be surprised, but you just never know, okay? One thing I want to point out for you, EPS is already going to be a situation that you guys want to take in account. You guys have seen the last quarter, we have been coming down from 260 all the way down here now to this current level of 212. And I'm going to bring out the charts momentarily to show you where we can go, both to the downside if we don't bounce, but to the upside if we're coming to the end of this sell down, okay? But also, we have the fact that Elon Musk, somehow, some way, they leaked the information that he wants more ownership of and more shares of Tesla, or he's going to take his AI ideas somewhere else or out the house, if you will. You don't let that kind of stuff leak. So already we have things coming into play as to why this could continue to go down even further. But we don't guess, we don't gamble around here. I want you guys to react to what you see. Don't front run nothing, okay? You never know what they have in store for you, so therefore you don't want to jump in front of something that you don't know what the outcome is going to be. You want to react to whatever comes down the pipe and have a game plan for whatever that may be, okay? Check it out. Tesla also has the Cybertruck coming out. There's no telling how that will do, what the sales are actually going to be. EV already is somewhat taking the hits with these colder climates, and they're not charging. All in all, there's enough news to go around to make a catalyst for the stocks continue to go down. Or check this out, don't get caught slipping. I always teach you guys this. Or they can put so much negativity out there on a particular company like Tesla, like their CEO Elon Musk, all to set you guys up for a trap. This could be reaching the levels that it wants to get to for a powerful turnaround as well. Do not rule that out either. Getting down to these levels of low 200s, the 190s potentially, and then all of a sudden taking off and heading back to the upside, okay? So listen, guys, there's a lot that are going to be revealed to us on Wednesday at market close once Tesla reports, and then more importantly on their earnings call. So I need you guys to be locked loaded this week. We will do our thing in Tesla regardless, whether that's to the upside or downside. So be in the Discord first thing in the morning each and every day, okay? With the 1 week chart on deck, guys, I want to call your attention to a few things we have here. This is called lower highs, okay? You are seeing we going down further and further. And if you look to the downside, we at 212. That's where we're currently at, 212. But we're getting very close to this support, which is at, we just gonna say 200. It's really 201. Okay, if we don't get to this level and bounce back to the upside towards 230 to 260, okay guys, we may very well come down further to 167. Okay, I want you guys to have all of these levels on deck. Okay, I want you guys to be familiar with all of these levels, as all of them can come into play and be a factor. Okay, that's why I say you want to have a game plan. I just laid out for you where you're at. You always want to know where you're at. You're at 212. Short term, you can easily take a trip to 200. Okay, but from 200, if you go down further, you can go to 167. Write this down so that you have a plan. I don't want to hear nothing about whether Tesla go up or down. I just want to know that you execute it regardless of the direction. Stocks can only do two things, guys. They only have two moves. Okay, to the downside, you need to say, if it goes down, I'm looking and I'm watching for 200. That's one support, and another level would be 167. Okay, I want you guys to be watching those levels to the downside. That's your game plan to the downside. But to the upside, I want you to be looking to recapture 220, 230, and 260. Okay, those would be some healthy levels to get the momentum back going to the upside before they eventually take out that $300 level, guys. But again, you got to be patient. This stuff won't happen tomorrow. This stuff won't happen overnight. You want to have a game plan so that you know, if this, then that. But if this, then I'm going to do that. Okay, and I want you guys to get to a level that you are going to execute in either direction. Okay, so you now know the numbers for both ways. So I don't want to hear about, oh, I thought Tesla was going to 300. Nope. Mention that Tesla might go to 167 too. Have a game plan for that. Oh, I thought Tesla was going to 167. Nope. Tesla might also go to 230. Have a game plan for that. Does that make sense? In this game, as you see the charts, they go up and down, up and down. Why not have a game plan? Why not have a strategy? Why not have a method and a mechanism in place to make money in either direction? Okay, listen guys, I just wanted to put that on you all for today as we prepare for this week. And those of you that follow this information, put a plan in place to execute, you will reap the rewards. Okay guys, none of us have a crystal ball. None of us know exactly what the market will do, but all of us have the ability to react to what we see. And that's what we do around here. That's what I specialize in doing, guys. All I simply do, I let Wall Street show their hand. I give them the first 15 minutes of every day to see what traps they're setting, see what they're trying to do, and then I go to work and I dominate. And then I crush Wall Street, and then I put my foot on their neck and I bury their butts every single day. And that's how I want you guys to approach this game. I want you to approach your lessons. I want you to approach your due diligence with that same veracity. Okay, if you can do that, you will take a hold of your destiny. You will expedite the process of increasing your win rate, getting off the corporate plantation, and achieving your goals in this game. Okay, the goal is to build wealth. The goal is to pass some generational wealth down to your family, to your kids. The goal is then to teach them how you did it. Guys, it starts now. Listen, we're going to get after it this week. Money team, get ready. Those plays will arrive first thing in the morning by 8:30 Eastern time. Everybody else be in the Discord first thing, locked, loaded, and ready to go tomorrow so that we set the tone for the week. As I often say, Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standard. Be locked, loaded, ready to go, guys. Let's have a phenomenal week. It's game time. I'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.